Hey everyone, welcome back to another really fun video. And today I'm going to show you my fidget collection. Most of them are DIY, so don't mind. The first one is a puppet. This is one of my brother's, but you know, I use it too. I'll get a new puppet anyways. So this is the bad side and this is the loud side. So yeah. If you don't know how many fidgets I have, these are all my fidgets. So the next fidgets are like cube thingies. I have a lot. So I have this, this, oh my god. This, and yeah, that's it. Those are all my like cube thingies. So this is like the snake. This is a jumbo snake. So. And this is like a Rubik's Cube. I don't know how to solve it, so I know how to solve, but it's pretty hard. So I have this kitty and star one, and then this minions one. So these are all of my like square like cube fidget thingies. So yeah, let's move to the next one. So the next fidgets are like the squishy fidget things. These are all my squishy thingies. I have so less because I just started fidget collecting. I even have this slime. I think so. We also squish it, so yeah. I have this pink slime. I have a whole giant packet, but this is one. So this is a DIY needle. I put flour in it. Then I have this. It's kind of dirty because it's a mochi. So this is a mochi. It's a giant mochi. Then I have this squishy macaron. I colored it. It's like a DIY kind of. And this is like a well squishy thing, but you know it's squishy, and I think it's like a fidget toy. So let's move to the next fidgets. So the next fidget toys are like fidget spinners. Well, I don't have much. I had 4 of them, but I gave one away. So I have 3. I got one chicken one that's also like from Moana, and I have another one that's also from Moana. She's Moana, of course. So it's like have waves, and it's blue and some boats. This has like a pattern of like chicken food and stuff. And then I have this Mickey Mouse one. This is not my favorite, but I still really like it. So there's like hot dogs on it. I don't know what are these yellow things, but yeah. So guys, if you don't know, but I have a lot of tangles, like DIY tangles. Tangles are my dream fidgets, but I just made DIY ones because you know I don't have any real DIY tangles. So these are all my tangles. So I have this mini one, and then I have this Christmas themed one, also made from beads. Then I have this gigantic rainbow one. Has like red, orange, green, yellow, blue, purple, dark pink, and pink. And the other one is pretty different. These are like the pencils that are really like flexible, and I just made it a tingle. I thought it's a pretty cool DIY tingle. So yeah, let's move to the next one. So the next one is like this Ursula thing, and then when you squish it, you see like this. So I think it's pretty satisfying. I don't know, but I just like it, you know. People make different fidgets, and yeah, I really like it. So yeah, let's move on. And guys, I'm gonna make like a fidget trading video. So yeah. So the next fidget is it's like a magnet ring DIY, but I just made it with tape. So you just do this. I think it's pretty cool. If you want to make it. If you want to make it, just take a tape that is almost like finished. Yeah, you have a finger and like a magnet ring. It's not magnetic. yeah, whatever, it's like it. So yeah. Then I don't think this is a fidget, but you can put these on your stretch balls. My Mashable broke, so I just have this to put on my like squishies and stuff. So yeah. Guys, so I also have this DIY. What is this? Yeah, triple dimple, or you can call it a dimple. So it's not one of my favorites, but I still really like it. And yeah. So this is sorry I didn't add this in the squishy things, but this is my DIY like squishy. I made it from paper and like there are like squishy stuff in it. So yeah, I really like this. Kind of ripping out. I'm gonna fix that. Yeah. So there's like one more thing left. So this is this marble mesh. This is DIY one, and then when you like, oh my god, do this and it glows up. Isn't that cool? It's blue and red. I really like this, and this is like my favorite DIY fidget. Yeah, let me show you how to make this, maybe in some other videos. So yeah. So this was the last fidget, the marble and mesh. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, don't forget that. And please ring the bell because you'll see my new videos, like a notification and you can see them. And yeah, the ones who subscribe, thank you so much. And yeah, see you all next time. And yeah, bye. And even tell me what was your favorite fidget from all of my fidgets. So yeah, guys, yeah, just wanted to say that. So yeah, bye.